I'd like to apologize to my family for whatever displeasure I might.
We ain't one at a time in here. We're mass communicating.
Kevin, I'm sorry.
Coffee. Chocolate. I didn't film an intro. I am editing this right now, and there's a lot of things that I forgot. The lighting is shit. No intro, no outro. So, yeah, we're learning, and I'm fighting with this every day, but we're just going to fire it out there. This came from a friend of mine, and he told me what they were, but it's just absolutely insane. I liked these for a while. The original ones are just impossible to get. So I made my own, which are these right here. Flynet FSB outsoles. Then ID'd some internationalists to kind of look like the same colorway. I got the GSPs, GPSs. I got the GPSs, and they're fine. I don't know. They just look so much like the Killshot 2. I think it's garbage. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox these and see what they look like and try to get them on foot. And was like, here, man, you want these? I'm not wearing them enough. I know you'll wear them. Some folks that do like on foot stuff, but super pumped. Holy shit. So, wrapped up really well. The Overshoe. So the Overshoe's the blue one, and I made the original one, but I'm excited to get these things on foot. He said he threw some other bullshit in there, so let's see what else is in here. What? What the f***? So this is what the box is. I thought... Are these in? Bro. What the f***? Dude, is this... Are these the fucking originals? Bro. There's no way.
Mama said they'd take me anywhere.
I think these are the originals, and these are the overshoes, and this is what he said he was sending me. Bro, there's no way. I kind of fuck with this, though. What counts as action? Yeah, let's film a vlog. Like, I'm hyped, but I'm not, because these are just ridiculous. Like, also mine were pretty close. Close enough. Bro, what the fuck? Dude, these are entirely too much. I was just looking at these. Alright, I'm gonna try them on, and we'll see what we're dealing with on foot. Fucking hype! Holy shit, man. These things are wild. Oh, it's got the fuck. I can't. Super wild. They fit. Ever. I don't feel like that looks bad. Holy moly. These look wild. I'm so dope. Next level. These are different tiers. Bruh. No way. Find a place to go take some photos. I don't think it's terribly sunny out today, but we can fix it in post. I just woke up from a nap. It's Christmas Day. Cooking. Got apples in there. There you go. It's 1 o'clock. I think I'm gonna eat at like 3, but I have to go take photos with these. I'm gonna do like an on-foot photo for Instagram. So I want to go out there and take some photos wearing these, which I understand that, like, as I stand in front of you with this bag, that it's like a weird, it's a thing. This is a thing. That's such an anomaly. What? I'm just looking inside of here, and for some reason I thought there was a shoe in here. And you know, people would cut off the bag, and there's a shoe in here. But it's not in there. There's no shoe in there. But I don't know how to like style them, if that makes sense. These fucking things, which I'm beside myself. Absolute curveball to have gotten these things. I can't remember her name. Absolute curveball. So yeah, trying to come up with content for this stuff.